1 year, 365 days of blood, sweat, and years. And what do we have to show for it? Not as much as we'd hoped. See, Mantini Motors isn't just our dream, it's our destiny. But destiny isn't gonna wait around forever, and the clock is ticking. See, when I was young, I used to ask why a lot. It's like I had a burning desire to seek the truth in the world around me. I grew up on mini bikes, and I remember watching my dad fascinated as he worked on them. But I couldn't help myself. I questioned why they couldn't be better. That sparked a passion within us. And so, we embarked on a journey to build our very own custom mini bikes, ones that shattered limitations. We wanted to hit the ground running. So what better way than making an awesome bike that looks like my dad's 1955 Chevy Bel Air. This led us to competing in one of the biggest mini bike shows in North America, the Polestar Picnic. Now, although our bike was not finished, we entered anyways, hoping that it would lead to our first customer. But during the event, we realized that people didn't want to buy custom mini bikes. They wanted to build them. So we embarked on a completely new journey to build the world's best mini bike frame. Our mission is to provide the community with a canvas that fuels creativity and innovation. After 6 months, we finally have a design that carries the spirit of every why we've ever asked. We knew we were on track when we shared some early mock-ups with you, and we were blown away by all the amazing feedback. So many of you actually reached out asking when it would be available and how much it would cost. Unfortunately, we still don't know, because the only way to find out is to build a prototype. So in the upcoming weeks, we'll be doing just that, and we'll be sharing the entire process with you right here. Now, there is another problem we have never really spoken about. We're building this entire business from the ground up with no financial help. Luckily, over the last decade, I was able to save some money to be able to leave my job and focus on this full time. But if we don't start selling bikes soon, we won't be able to do this for much longer. That's why last month, luckily my fiance agreed to pack up our entire house, put it in storage, and we moved in with my parents. The goal is simple. We have 6 months to turn Mantini Motors into a real business, or we'll have to give it all up and go back to our 9-to-5s. So if you're like me and you're asking why would you guys risk it all to build mini bikes? Well, if that's the case, I invite you to join us on this journey and to subscribe so that we can find out why together. P.S. real quick, if you want exclusive updates and early access so that you're one of the first people to own a Mantini, well then we highly recommend you go to our website, mantini.co, and register as a VIP. We're doing something really special in the upcoming months for all of our VIPs, so you do not want to miss out on that. Trust us, it's going to be amazing, so make sure you click the link in the description and become a VIP. All right, we'll see you in the next video.